Thanks for logging on to WCBI.com. I'm meteorologist Jacob Dickey. Temperatures today will rise into the upper 80s and low 90s out there. We'll see mostly sunny sky with a few clouds here and there. I do think southeast winds will continue between 7 and 12 miles an hour today. You'll notice that a little bit more, and you'll probably notice a little more of a crisp to the air in the morning hours. But in the afternoon, yes, we're still getting warm. That's still, though, 5 to 10 degrees below where we were yesterday. At the bus stop, picking up the kids, sunny and mild out there. A few isolated showers, though, into the afternoon hours. I think it'll be 89 at the end of school. The high, though, I think will register at 92 in Tupelo, 91 in Pontotoc and in Bruce, 90 in Aberdeen and in Amory. We'll likely see 90 as our high today also in Columbus, Starkville, West Point, Winona, Ackerman, Louisville, Picketown. It's at 90, except for Carrollton and Grenada, 92 there. And then West Alabama, 90 in Soldier and in Vernon. Reform and Aliceville getting up to 91 for our Thursday afternoon high. Now, Futurecast keeps us dry this morning. Notice what happens, though. Into the afternoon, some pop-up showers and storms can be expected. It seems like the best odds for those are along the I-55 corridor, perhaps south of Highway 407. That runs from Winona to Louisville. And most of the rain really will continue into the Delta into the afternoon and evenings. Look at those showers and storms blossoming there west of Grenada, from Yazoo City towards Greenville, up towards Little Rock. That's been the case the past couple of days and will likely remain the case, keeping that rain off to our west. Not by much. Just very close call. We could use some of that rain, but not going to get any of it anytime soon. Temperatures remain above average into we go into the weekend. We're still a good 5 to 10 degrees below where we should be, but missing out on fall. This weak cold front coming on through from the east is going to help those southeast winds bring in drier air, and I think we'll really feel it by the time Friday morning rolls around. We should have those temperatures down in the middle to low 60s in some spots. But that high pressure that takes control behind it then is going to bounce away the chance for rain and storms, and that leaves us looking rather dry the next 7 days. Best chance for really widespread measurable rainfall runs from Texas to Louisiana to Arkansas up into the Midwest. We are left mostly high on dry here, except for a few spot showers expected not only today but early next week. Quick check in the tropics this morning, watching 5 different disturbances out there. We've got Hurricane Umberto, Tropical Storm Jerry, a tropical depression, the remnants of Imelda, and then 2 disturbances being watched. Umberto, the latest update this morning, has it as a strong Category 3 hurricane remaining, moving northeast pretty quickly. It'll remain offshore, not a threat to the mainland U.S., and will slowly weaken from here on out as it continues its journey out to the open Atlantic waters. Then we've got Tropical Storm Jerry. It is organizing still and will likely become a hurricane later today as it carries off to the west. The good news is it looks like, according to the National Hurricane Center, it will take a north turn before the Bahamas and remain out in the open Atlantic. It would be a fish storm, except for Bermuda might have to have some problems with it, but we'll wait and see. We've got time to watch that. And then finally, the one that's causing all the problems here is Tropical Depression Imelda. And it is raining in Texas. All that rain this morning along the I-10 corridor. Check out some of these amounts here. The 24-hour rainfall estimate brings a swath of 25 to 30 inches of rain between Houston and Beaumont, Texas. There's been reports of cars with people trapped in I-10 this morning in 2 to 3 feet of standing water, and that is rising. A very dangerous situation out there. Now, you would think maybe we'd get some of that tropical moisture, and that is not the case. Temperatures remain above average, upper 80s and low 90s in the afternoon. In the evening hours, things will start to cool. We'll end up in the morning lows in the low 60s this weekend. Look for a chance for a few showers as we head into next week.